Have you ever wondered how some completely normal people, without any coding skills, without fancy degrees, and with no startup money, are suddenly making hundreds of dollars a day in 2025? I was asking myself the same question. So I went deep into research and I found 5 AI websites that are quietly helping people earn consistent money every single day. The crazy part, hardly anyone is talking about these websites, but those who are using them are already getting ahead. Now, before you think, I've already heard of ChatGPT, hear me out. Most people use ChatGPT just for fun or basic answers, but smart people are turning ChatGPT into a daily income machine. Here's how it works. In this video, I'm going to reveal these 5 secret AI websites and explain exactly how normal people are using them to create income streams in 2025 and up. Services like writing YouTube video scripts, social media captions, blog posts, or even product descriptions for e-commerce businesses. For example, people are creating Instagram carousel posts, YouTube, thumbnails, business logos, and printable planners. But the big secret is selling digital products on platforms like Etsy. You can create beautiful digital planners, ebooks, and templates using Canva AI and upload them once. And these products keep selling passively, day after day. Many people are earning $500 to $1,000 per month, passively just from Canva digital products without needing to actively work every day. The trick, they don't write anything from scratch. And YouTube short content for clients, charging $10 to $50 per video and making consistent cash flow. You don't need to be a designer, just the willingness to learn basic prompts. They simply use ChatGPT to generate high-quality, engaging content in minutes. Instead of spending hours looking for information, they get summarized, up-to-date content in seconds, and Perplexity AI for research, and then flipping those websites for thousands of dollars after a few months. This is real digital asset building using AI. They write SEO-optimized blogs promoting affiliate products from Amazon, ClickBank, or other networks. With just a few viral articles, people are making anywhere from $100 to $500 per week passively through affiliate commissions and display ads, like Google AdSense. Using ChatGPT, they write scripts. With ElevenLabs, they generate natural-sounding voiceovers, and with Pika Labs, they turn that script into dynamic videos. This whole process can be done from home, anonymously, and costs almost nothing to start. This platform is taking over the print-on-demand world. Leonardo AI allows you to generate unique, high-quality art, graphics, and illustrations in seconds using simple text prompts. Since these designs are unique and AI-generated, they stand out in crowded markets. There are beginners who started with zero design experience, and within 3 to 6 months built a portfolio of hundreds of design, making them hundreds of dollars each month without the need for any ads or extra work after uploading. Pika Labs is a next-gen AI video generation tool. In 2025, short-form content like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos dominate online earnings. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars or spend months learning. Just simple tools that anyone can use to earn smartly. People are using Pika Labs to create stunning AI-generated videos within seconds. A single project that would normally take 2 hours now takes 15 minutes. This allows them to complete multiple projects every day. Start small, maybe by offering a simple service or uploading your first product. I reply to every comment, and I can guide you with more tips. And turn on notifications because I'll be bringing you more hidden AI websites, tools, and money-making tricks every single week. Test, experiment, and learn. Many people start small and within a few months are making life-changing income because they took action when others were just watching videos. People who couldn't get started on YouTube because they didn't want to show their face are now making thousands per month thanks to this AI content creation combo. ChatGPT, Pika Labs plus you can be one of them. Starting today, people use Perplexity AI to instantly find well-researched, summarized answers to any query. This is a game changer for content creators, bloggers, students, and even affiliate marketers. Watch till the end because the 5th website is the most underrated and could completely change your approach to making money online. People who struggled to make $10 an hour are now earning $50 to $100 per day just by delivering more orders fast. Plus, they're building long-term relationships with clients, because the quality is surprisingly good thanks to AI assistants. With zero experience and free AI tools, anyone can start freelancing today and gradually scale their income by using ChatGPT smartly. Let's dive in. You might know Canva as a basic design tool, but it has completely transformed in 2025. Canva's AI tools now help people create professional-looking graphics, videos, social media posts, product mock-ups, and even complete presentations in minutes, with zero design experience required. The first website I found is none other than ChatGPT. Thousands of people are now offering simple writing services on Fiverr, and the results are crazy. The second AI website that's making people rich is Canva AI. People are using Canva AI to sell services on Fiverr and Etsy. Canva also now offers AI video generation, meaning people are creating TikTok. Moving on to the third AI website. This one surprised me. It's Pika Labs. Here's how normal people are making money with it. They create faceless YouTube channels focused on topics like motivation, facts, travel, or business tips. After uploading consistently, these YouTube channels grow and start making money from YouTube ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. The fourth AI website is Perplexity AI. This is a very unique AI tool that works like an advanced search engine. Here's how it's making people money. Bloggers and affiliate marketers are using Perplexity AI to research and write articles 5 times faster. Some are even creating micro-niche websites using AI tools like ChatGPT for writing, Canva for images. And finally, the fifth AI website that normal people are quietly using to make big money in 2025 is Leonardo AI. Here's how people are using it. They generate unique t-shirt designs, wall art, posters, and digital stickers using Leonardo AI, then upload them to platforms like Teespring and Etsy. People are also creating trendy, seasonal collections, like summer quotes, travel art, or even zodiac signs, and earning passive income month after month. To summarize everything: ChatGPT for high-demand writing services and freelancing, Canva AI for social media designs, YouTube, thumbnails, and passive Etsy products, Pika Labs for faceless YouTube channel content, Perplexity AI for blog writing and affiliate marketing, Leonardo AI for print-on-demand and digital product selling. The best part about these websites, they are mostly free or low-cost, beginner-friendly, and require no technical knowledge. So what's the next step for you? Choose one of these websites that sounds interesting to you. Go to the website after this video, explore its features, and take action. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below which AI website you're going to try first. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to AI Simplified. Remember, in 2025, the people who succeed are those who are willing to adapt, learn, and act. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.